Hi, it's Jez from Nigezza Creates. Thank you for joining me today. So I'm bringing you a charity shop haul, spread out over the time I was away. So yeah. Oh, and before I start though, whilst I was away on my little pilgrimage, we often have, we get given like nice cake stops and that along the way, and in one of them the table was set with these lovely napkins, and I nicked them. I was like, don't use your napkin, just wipe your hands on your jeans. Well, nobody wears jeans when they're walking, not sensible people anyway. And yeah, they were just so nice. Look at that, imagine that along the edge of a book page. That'd be beautiful, won't it? And yeah, so I've got to make a spring-ish, summer, I don't know, can't remember the theme, keeping it lightish. It's for the summer retreat. Yeah, so I think these will do. So they are slightly different. That one's different, isn't it? I think so, Jez. No, it's not exactly the same, just been folded differently. Messing with me head, that. Messing with me head. So yeah, I nicked a few. So I might take some with me to share. But yeah, so that, didn't get that from charity shop, but I did get this wadding. So lots and lots, quite a big piece of wadding. I want to make a fabric cover, loads of fabric, so let's use it. So I thought this wadding would be good. I've done it before where I've used a jiffy envelope, but yeah, I thought I'd do that. And part of the reason why was because I saw this fabulous fabric. So yeah, so I saw this fabulous fabric and thought that would make a lovely cover. And I've probably got enough for 2 covers in this, maybe 3 if I'm frugal, or I might just use it down the spine. But how lovely is that? Really, really gorgeous piece of fabric there. Like the colours. So yeah, got some storage. I like a bit of storage. So this is it's 2 drawers. Can you see? 2 drawers. It does say videotapes on them. I reckon it must have been for video camera tapes, because there's no way that would hold a videotape. So 2 drawers like that. Let me give you the size. Well, they're bigger than 12 inches, just a bit bigger than 12 inches. They are 4.5 inches wide, and what have we got? 3.5 inches tall. So my thoughts are these can just go on a shelf, on a bookshelf, tucked in a bookshelf, and I can have little bits and bobs in there. That was my thoughts. Had to buy it. £2. How could you leave that on the shelf? Well, you just couldn't, could you? Oh, and then this pretty tin. How pretty is that? It's not old, cost me £1. But I thought it was lovely. It's sort of embossed there, can you see? Yeah, you can see there that it's embossed. Just lovely. Spring colours, bluebells, absolutely love bluebells, love butterflies. So yeah, oh, there's a receipt in there for someone. So it's my receipt. So yeah, like that. I'll use it for something, don't yet know what. Glasses have just fallen off my face, Jezebel. So another bit of storage that I got was this. This was £2 as well. So it's got clippies on, so you can clip things on. You can move the clips around. Not a huge fan of rose gold, but I'm not a fan of rose gold in the least, Jez. So huge doesn't come into it. You just don't like it. But quite liked it for maybe a bit of hanging things from it. So I just thought £2. Yeah, I'm having that. I'm having it for something. So yeah. And I'll stick it somewhere. I may even attempt to spray paint it, but yeah, I can work out what we'll take on it. So here we go. Oh, these were nice. So these were 30 wine bottle labels. Now they will, I'm sure they'll be gummed. Quite like that label actually. Let's cut it without too much hassle. Let's see if I can go along there. There we go. There we go. Are these gummed? Yeah, they're gummed. So I thought I could stick it as is. Is it gummed or is it just shiny? Don't actually know. But yeah, I thought I could use that in some way, shape or form. Might even try and tea dye it, although it's quite shiny now. I've took it out of the packet, but I thought it was worth a punt. And yeah, I liked them. And I just, how did I that day? Oh no, that week I'd bought some nice coasters that were old wine labels, so quite like that. I like that bit. It looks old. That probably isn't that. Oh, my I just had a phone call, so probably I have to adjust you again now, so I had to take my phone off the hook for it. A missed hospital appointment, which I never knew I had. So there we go. They're all right. They're rescheduling. So I got this. So it's one of those adult colouring books, but it's the Flower Fairies. I thought, oh, I could use these. I could maybe try and colour it in. Probably not going to happen. But I do have a Flower Fairy journal that I need to get on with. I've been saying that for a while. It's one of my UFOs, my unfinished projects. But yeah, I thought I could incorporate this into a Flower Fairy journal. Some of them have been coloured in, but most of them haven't. So I thought, yeah, I can get on and use that. And yeah, another one that's been coloured in a bit. So yeah, that was quite cute. Worth £1. Worth £1 of anyone's money, I reckon. Oh, I got some nice embroidery anglais. I do love embroidery anglais, and that's a nice wide one. So yeah, gonna get this tape off so that it frees it up for me to use, and then we can have a better look at it. Lovely. And these take dye really well, so I could tea dye this and it would look really nice. Not that it doesn't look nice as it is. So yeah, loving that. Loving it. And then we've got a floral day book. And what I liked about this is, oh, it's got a little to Shirley for your gardening record or something. No, put your glasses on, Jess, you can't read. For your gardening records, it is. Merry Christmas with love from Marianne and Jeff. That's nice, isn't it? I just thought it'd be a nice journal page. So you've got somewhere to write, and you've got some prettiness going on, and then you've got these pages as well, which are nice. So yeah, I just think this would be grand in a journal. So yeah, that's why I bought that. Nice simple journal pages. I don't think it costs much, there's no price on there, but yeah, that's why I got that one. And then lastly, oh, bending down, oh, pack of these. So 3, 4, 5, 6, and I do now remember I bought these, I think, with my sister-in-law, and they said, was it my friend Kate, and they said they had loads of them at home, and then we forgot to get them. But yeah, put them around the spine of a book. I'm making a journal. I just think it looks lush. So yeah, that is a little charity shop haul. So hope you enjoyed that, and I will be back next Sunday with another haul and some creative videos during the week, maybe using some of those things. Okay, bye for now.